Hello everyone, I'm Kai Gomez, founder of Swarms, and today I'd like to show you how to get started with the Swarms API by following an example from our marketplace. Yesterday we were doing an event at the office and we needed to find food. And so we built this catering agent and we posted it on the Swarms marketplace at swarms.world, and we'll be following this tutorial in this video today. So you can see here about the agent. I'll link it below so you could try it out as well. Here's a description. We're going to be using the request library to call the agent to the Swarms API, and then we're also going to be getting a Swarms API key. And this is the code here. I'll be going into that later. But first step is to get your key. So we're going to get a new key, and we're going to go to this link, and we're going to say food catering agent. Okay, now that we have their key, we can basically just copy paste this code. This is the code that we're going to be using for the agents. I have the code here. This is my cursor instance. This is the prompt. You are Caterly, a professional event catering discovery assistant. Your task is to find, evaluate, and recommend caterers that best match a user's event requirements. Always prioritize accuracy, transparency, and user safety. And this is a raw payload configuration. This configuration is basically what we're sending to the agent. So we give it the name, we give it description, we give it a model name. We can switch this to any model that we want. So we could use GPT 4.1 or Haiku, the new Haiku model. We can set this to 505. Role worker, max loops, we have search enabled, so it can use the search API to search the web. We could also enable dynamic temperature, which basically switches the temperature, or it's basically randomized. And then here's just a function to call the API. We're using requests, but we could use HTTPX, which is what I would recommend in production. And all this code here is just to make the output look nice. So we're going to load the EMV, and then we're going to load the API key. So the API key is going to be fetched from .env. This is the task. So we're going to say merge this into one line. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're going to run this. You just copy the code on the marketplace, you put your key in, and then you just run the file, and then the agent will execute. So we're waiting here for a response. We're also using Rich to make this look nice, so the output would be nice and cute, and it'll also show the output tokens as well. Note that the model that you use will reflect the time it takes. It will basically reflect the time of the request. So if you use a better model, it could be faster. If not, it will not be faster. So here we have the response. So event details, guest count 70, location mission San Francisco. We have caterers here, Mazzeria description. Mazzeria is a renowned Neapolitan style pizza offering wood-fired pizzas and catering services throughout San Francisco. They are known for their authentic flavors and inclusive staff. And gives you the address, phone number, email, website, basically a bunch of information. Tony's Pizza Napolitana catering division. Tony's Pizza Neapolitana offers award-winning pizza catering, including delivery and on-site pizza ovens for events. Verified pizza caterers that deliver to the mission San Francisco, Mazzeria, Little Star Pizza, Amici's East Coast Pizzeria, and Del Popolo. Estimated cost range from $1,000, yada yada yada. And we also see some metadata relating to the requests and also the cost. And yeah, that's basically the food catering agent. Just copy this code here and you could run it. We have a bunch of other interesting agents in the marketplace that you can check out, and also some prompts. So check out the marketplace, find agents that you like, and also share agents if you built any cool ones that you think people would find interesting, and you could also monetize them. If you would want to get started with the Swarms API, you can go to docs.swarms.ai, and you could find the docs pertaining to the API there. We're giving $10 in free credits. So if you sign up now at swarms.world, you get $10 in free credits. So go sign up and try the API and start building some agents. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's been fun. Check out the docs, check out the marketplace, share your agents. All right, have a good day.